How to send Ethereum from Coinbase to Trust Wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can transfer or send Ethereum from Coinbase to Trust Wallet. Now, in order to send Ethereum from Coinbase to Trust Wallet, first you want to open up your Trust Wallet, and there you want to head into a particular crypto that you wish to transfer. Now you want to transfer Ethereum, so you want to tap on Ethereum, and there on the detail page of Ethereum you'll get send, receive, copy and more option. You want to simply copy it. What it does is it copies the particular crypto address, so you want to copy the Ethereum address. Once you copy it, you want to head into your Coinbase wallet. There at the bottom you'll find the transfer tab. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, there you'll get the option that says buy, sell, convert, send and receive. You want to select the option that says send crypto to another wallet, right, since you want to send it to Trust Wallet. And once you tap on it, there it'll ask you to select the asset. You want to select the Ethereum since you want to transfer Ethereum. Once you select Ethereum, you want to select the amount or the value, enter the amount of crypto, example Ethereum, that you want to send to Trust Wallet. Tap on continue, and then on the to option there you want to copy the address that you copied. Once you paste the Ethereum address or the address that you copied here, you'll be able to transfer it. So this way you can send Ethereum from Coinbase to Trust Wallet. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.